Hi everyone, Letty here. I have another not too shabby pink Halloween I Want It All bundle project. I'll do a quick unboxing and then I'm going to show you some easy 3x3 cards. Welcome back everyone. So today I have the pink Halloween I Want It All bundle from the Not Too Shabby shop. Here's their logo. I'll list a website affiliate link down in the description box below. This is one of the newest kits that has just been released from Not Too Shabby shop. This is what it'll look like when you get it. It's in a nice little bundle like this. Let's unbox it. Okay, so we have everything kind of laid out here. This kit comes with 2 paper packs, 2 coordinating packs of ephemera, 1 pack of enamel dots, and a coordinating sticker. This is a huge sticker. It's about 3 inches. And then a glitter enamel dots pack as well. And these colors do coordinate. This is called Cutesy Halloween. The colors do coordinate with both of the paper pack collections that are in this kit. So let's unbox this and let's go through each section. So we've got Halloween Coffee. This is a 6x6 paper pack. And it's going to come with 12 designs, 24 total double-sided sheets. These are the different designs. I'm showing you the fronts and the backs of each set. The yellow actually is a nice surprise with this. I knew there was going to be pink, but this yellow actually, I'm sort of digging it. And so these are the different colors and the prints, the coffee prints that are coming in this collection. I'm liking that yellow. Super cute. So again, Halloween Coffee was the first paper pack, 24 double-sided sheets. There is a coordinating ephemera pack that's called Cute Halloween Coffee, and it's super, super cute. And so let me show you a still shot of everything that comes in that ephemera pack. You've got some cats and some lattes and other coffees and balloons and cupcakes and candy corn and just so many super fun images. You also have pink and black Halloween. This is a second paper pack, 12 designs, 6x6 double-sided paper. So these are the prints, and this one is pretty much just pink, black, and white. And so super, super fun images, super cute. You've got some really neat patterns on the fronts and on the backs, witches and bats and ghosts and all kinds of just really fun, spooky Halloween images here. And again, these are the fronts and the backs of the patterns that come in this pack that's called Pink and Black Halloween. Again, 24 double-sided sheets. You do also have a coordinating ephemera pack, also called Pink and Black Halloween. This one is a little bit more spookier, a little bit more scarier. Let me show you a still shot of all of the images that come in that pack. Okay, so we've got some cats and jars and lollipops and ghosts and pumpkins and really little creepy and scary looking little skeletons and things. These are again those cutesy Halloween enamel dots. They are glitter enamel dots, and then there also is a 3-inch glitter sticker that comes with this kit. So this is again the pink Halloween I Want It All bundle that's in the Not Too Shabby shop right now. I'll have that link. I'll link it down below for you in case you want to make that purchase. Let's dive into today's project. So before we dive in, let me show you the previous projects that I've done with this kit. This is some decorated paper sacks, and then I also did a set of cards. These are just some easy sort of scrap cards that I did. I'll link both of those videos at the very end of this one. So for today's project, we're doing some 3x3 cards. I have everything already cut up, laid out, ready to be assembled, including the insides and some scraps that will go on the insides. So I do have a little card base for each one. These are 3 inches by 6 inches. I fold them in half on the 6-inch side, so it fold or score at 3 inches. Then I have a cardstock mat, 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. Notice that I did punch out a shape from the inside, so I'm going to fill that gap with a little bit of a scrap from my stash just to kind of make it flush. I have a paper mat that's 2.5 by 2.5. So that's where I'm going to bring in that paper. I was able to get 4 of these little mats from one sheet of 6x6. And so again, that mat is 2.5 by 2.5 is what I used. And then I had that little die cut circle, which is what I die cut out of the center. I am a frugal crafter, so I want to try to maximize my supplies. So I'm going to use that circle on the top of my card for most of these little cards. And so I added a piece of ephemera as well as a little stamped sentiment. Now for my inside mat, this is 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. I'm going to add a little scrap that I had left over after cutting those paper mats down from the sheet of paper. So I'll assemble in just a second, but let me also show you the 2 stamp sets I brought in. This one's Best Witches from Not Too Shabby for that little sentiment on the inside of the card, and then Boo Sentiments for this little one right here, this Happy Boo from Me to You. So those are the 2 stamp sets that I will be using. If they're available, I'll link them down below for you. So, and then in the last video, I talked about this holographic cardstock, and somebody had mentioned it was different colors, and it is. You get 2 different holographics, 2 golds, 1 silver, a blue, a red, and a green. This is the pack from Dollar Tree. So just in case somebody was out looking for that, it actually is not a pack of 8 holographic. You only get 2 of the holographics, but you are able to do this project if you are able to find that one little pack at Dollar Tree. So first I'm going to go ahead and glue those scraps to the front or to the bottom part of the inside card mat. And so I'm just going to quickly do this. And I am very much an assembly line crafter. I find crafting very therapeutic. And so I like to just do sort of repeat actions over and over. I just find it so quick and easy that way. So I've already taken care of all the insides. You see here they have the sentiment and then the little piece of scrap that will go on the inside as well. So now I'm going to take you through each of the 4 cards, the little 3x3s, and I'm going to assemble them. I'm going to start by gluing the little inside mat into the inside of my card. And so here's what it looks like. Super, super easy. And then I'm going to go ahead and add that little, what's left of the holographic cardstock mat. Now, this is one I actually purchased at Joann's. I was talking about the Dollar Tree holographic paper as an option, but this one specifically that I'm using is from Joann's. It is my absolute favorite of the holographic cardstocks. Then I added that mat right on top, as well as that little scrap to kind of fill in the void of where I had die cut out the image, the circle. And then I finish it off with a piece of ephemera and one little sentiment. And that will finish out my first little 3x3 card. So these are so super easy and they go so fast. What I love about it is that you get 4 of them from one sheet of 6x6. These are the perfect size little card to make like a little tag, a little thank you card. You could add it with a little gift. You've got so many different options and I just love the little size of it, and they are so quick and easy to make because of that same little size, the 3x3 size. If you've never made a 3x3 card, you definitely should. It's such a fun project. I do have some previous tutorial videos where I show you how to cut your paper down to sort of maximize everything. I will link those videos down below so that way you can check on that. But otherwise, you just cut it down, cut your paper down to the specific mat sizes that I gave you in this video, or anything that you feel is best. And then you can just assemble these quick little 3x3 cards. So I'm adding a couple of pieces of ephemera on this one, as well as that little sentiment, and that will finish out this next card. That's card number 2. So these are going to go really, really quickly. Again, I like to mass assemble them, making them in bulk. So I usually don't just do one card at a time. You'll notice on my channel, I usually do a group of cards. And so this Halloween bundle, again, is the I Want It All bundle. It's the pink Halloween I Want It All bundle from Not Too Shabby. It had been sold out, but I believe Jamie had just gotten a new batch and it is now back in stock. I've listed the links not only to my affiliate link for Not Too Shabby down in the description box below, but I've also found as many of the items that I could find that were in stock at the time of making this video, and I have specific affiliate links down in the description box below for you for each of those items. I know there were some paper pads and things that were out of stock before that are now back in stock. This one is card number 3. And so you'll definitely want to check that out. If it is something that you want, I might already have the link for you down below just to make it so much easier for you. If you're not familiar with affiliate links, basically it's a special link that I've set up with the company, in this case, Not Too Shabby. If a customer purchases using my link, they just have to click on the link and then they make a purchase, not necessarily that same item, just anything in that same shop during that same trip. I actually get a little bit of a commission paid to me by the company itself. So at no extra cost to you, you help to support my channel grow. And so those are the affiliate links that I have down below for you. And again, I tried to list as many products as I could. I will look for those stamps as well. And if they're available, I'll link them down below for you as well. So I'm just finishing off this next card with the little pieces of ephemera. And we are already on the 4th card. I feel like these are so quick and easy. I blinked and they're already basically done. That was the 4th card right there. So the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to batch add enamel dots to all 4 of these cards. So I'm going to take up my little enamel dots that came in this collection kit or this bundle. There's some glitter enamel dots and they coordinate perfectly with both paper pads. And so I'm just going to add a cluster of 3 enamel dots to each of the fronts of these little 3x3 cards. And this is just to give it a little bit of extra embellishment. I have them, so might as well use them. But also, I feel like it adds just a little bit of extra decoration on the front of your card and just takes your card up to the next level. Okay, our cards are done. So up next will be a final recap. So to recap, this was the Pink Halloween I Want It All bundle from the Not Too Shabby shop. It comes with 2 paper pads, 2 coordinating packs of ephemera, a pack of enamel dots, and a very large sticker. This one's a glitter sticker. It's like 3 inches. Today's project was easy 3x3 cards. These are so super easy. We have a layer, an actual 3x3 card, and then we have a layer of holographic cardstock that's 2 3/4 by 2 3/4, a paper mat that's 2.5 by 2.5, and then we just finished it off with some little decoration on the inside. I do have a mat that's 2 3/4 by 2 3/4 as well. I added a little stamped sentiment just to make it super easy to sign and finish off those cards. And then I finished them off with some enamel dots. So those are our cards for today. Again, if you have never made this, you definitely want to try to make this project. I will link a little bit of a slower tutorial where I show how to cut the paper down in the description box below. Again, these were easy 3x3 cards using the Pink Halloween I Want It All bundle from Not Too Shabby. I do have my previous projects. I'll link them at the very end so you can check out everything that I made with this bundle. And I do have my affiliate link that I'll link down below in case you do want to make a purchase. Happy crafting! Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got a little bit of inspiration. I hope you are getting ready for your Halloween crafting. Make sure you check out the link that I'll have down below. You can go and get this item if it's something that you're interested in. It's so super cute and it's going to be perfect for your Halloween crafting this season. Happy crafting!